Hello friends, in our last video, we had covered importance of PIQ form. We see how this form is being used during the assessment process in SSB. Today we are going to see the mistakes what majority of the candidates commit in filling up this form. Most of you leave the important columns which I would be covering today, which are your games and sports, hobbies and interest, your extracurricular co-curricular activities and position of responsibilities held. The candidates leave these columns blank with a fear in mind that if I write something, the interviewing officer will ask me questions on that. Of course, yes, he will ask you questions, but if you do not write, how will he come to know what you have really done in your life, which will be much more negative than writing something and not knowing about it. Let me advise you, do not write anything that you have not done. But let me give you an example. Take games and sports. People write that I have not played any games and sports. Is it really possible? Have you never played cricket in the gully or in the school? Football, volleyball, hockey, chess, badminton, any game, anytime? Every one of us play this at various levels. You can play it at a school level, you can play it at a college, university, state or national level, but you can also play it on a casual level. If you have done that on any of these levels, please write it. There is no requirement to show any certificate for these games. If you have them, yes, it is an added advantage. Similarly, your hobbies and interest, it is hobbies stroke interest. Whatever interest you have had in your life till now or you are having now, please write those hobbies and interest. Similarly, extracurricular activities, it means basically whatever you have done during your school and college other than your studies. Please mention that if you have taken part in some college fest, if you have taken part in various debates, elocution competition, essay writing, drawing, write whatever you have actually done. Now coming to a major portion where candidates leave it blank is your responsibilities or position of responsibility held. This is a column which shows what all leadership roles you have assumed in your entire life. If you have done any activity or any position in your school, college, work life, wherever, please do mention it. If you have taken part in NCC and you had some appointment there, write it down. If you are captain of your football team in school, write it down. You are a class monitor, a head boy, or whatever position you had held in any time of your life, do mention it. It is extremely important. If you have held position, write it. In case you have not done anything from any of the columns, there is no option but to leave it blank. Do not fake anything. Do not write something which you have never done. You will get caught and it would be taken in a very negative fashion. For SSB, you must ensure that you follow the 3H principles: speaking from the heart, being honest, being humble. Keep watching our videos. Click on the link for our previous ones as well and click on the link in the description. Watch AFO-SOP channel videos where Lieutenant Colonel Ganesh Babu has put numerous videos where effort is made to build your foundation rather than working on the building first. If you want to understand how you can improve upon the things, suppose you have found out the gap in the gap analysis workshops conducted free by Lieutenant Colonel Ganesh Babu, then how to overcome this gap. I would suggest, if possible, attend the privileged batch of AFO SOP where I take interview session as well as individual interview. Looking forward to see you. Thank you. Jai Hind.